From Utah's #1 news channel, this is KUTV 2 News at 5.
Hearts of gold at Herriman High School today. During the past few weeks, the students have been performing service projects all across their city in exchange for donations. In all, they raised $124,000. During an assembly today, the school donated that money to Make-A-Wish of Utah.
Student body stepped up. Yeah, I'm so proud of them. You talk about hearts of gold. Well, this student body has a heart of gold.
As you know, Make-A-Wish grants wishes for children here in Utah who are ill, and this money will go to help 3 of them.
High school kids doing awesome things. And
$100,000.
Yeah, 24.
That is so awesome. And what a great life lesson for those kids. So.
Yeah, heartwarming for the holidays.
It is. And
the weather not warming at all.
Well, it's not warm.